Hello everyone. Today we will start that what is the responsibility. In previous lecture we are seeing that what is the authority and now we are discussed that what is the responsibility. Now when we hear the word responsibility, the something which is arises in our mind, that is the something which is obliged, something for which a person is obliged to do. Means responsibility is the obligation to do something. ठीक है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या होती है? एक ऐसी चीज है जिसको आप करने के लिए बाध्य हो, यू आर ऑब्लाइज्ड. ठीक है, यू आर ऑब्लाइज्ड फॉर टू डू समथिंग. It refers to the duties assigned to a person by virtue of his position in the organization. ठीक है, इसमें क्या होता है रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी में? रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज उस पर्सन को डेलीगेट होती है अकॉर्डिंग टू द पर्सन वर्च्यू. उसके अंदर क्या गुण है? Good in the sense, what is the virtue of the person to perform that given task? This person is liable to do something. This person is have ability to perform that work. According to this sense, responsibility is assigned to a subordinates. तो हम responsibilities को कैसे assign करते हैं? According to the person's virtue and positions. ठीक है, किस पोस्ट पे वो है? He is belonging in a GM post or a manager post or a supervisor post. ठीक है, according to their post, according to their position, we are assigning the responsibility according to these things. And what is the virtue? Virtue क्या ability है, क्या skills है? ठीक है, क्या स्पेशलाइजेशन है पर्सन की? ऐसा नहीं है ना कि हम जिस पर्सन को फिनांस का स्पेशलाइजेशन हो, ठीक है, उसको हम प्रोडक्शन में डाल दें या उसको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऐसी असाइन कर दें कि उसको जो भी वर्क है प्रोडक्शन से रिलेटेड उसको असाइन कर दें. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है. पर्सन जिस भी फील्ड में एबल है, जिस भी फील्ड में उसकी स्किल्स है, उसकी एबिलिटी है, वो क्या करेगा उस फील्ड में अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर फील्ड, according to their virtue, ability and skills, according to the position of that persons, we will assign the responsibility. Now this is clear. I hope this is clear. It is the physical and mental activity that must be performed to complete a task. Responsibility is the mental and physical ability. Okay, because if you assign some work to perform in the organization, that time you use your mental ability, mental pressure, that how you will done, how you will accomplish your given goal. And this is a physical task because without physical task you can't perform any kind of work. Okay, so we can say that it is the physical and mental activity that must be performed to complete a task. It is the obligation of the subordinates to perform any duty required to be performed by his superior. ये क्या है? This is an obligation of the subordinates. आपके subordinates क्या करते हैं? Your subordinates, it's give you some responsibility that you have to produce 10,000 units in 15 days. This is your responsibility that you have to perform. Means now your subordinates, given task by your subordinates, that you are now performing to produce 10,000 units in 15 days. You are now obliged to produce 10,000 units in a given 15 days. Okay, you can't deny, you can't ignore these things because this is given by your subordinates, and now this is your responsibility that you must to perform in a 15 days. It can't be done in a 20 days. Otherwise, maybe Otherwise, maybe you are liable to pay some penalties or punishment, which is decided by the organization. So now any task, any responsibility, any work which is given by the subordinates to their employee, that employee is obliged to perform that given task. This is a responsibility. Responsibility is a derivatives of authority. Authority क्या होती है? Some powers and rights. ठीक है? Then we can say that responsibility is the derivatives of a authority. Means if a person is authorized to assign you a task, if a person have a right and a power to delegate some responsibility, some work, he is liable to give you command to their subordinates. Means he can perform, he can assign you a responsibility. Without authority, you can't perform a responsibility. You can't assign a responsibility. So we can say that authority is the derivative of, responsibility is the derivative of a authority. Without authority, you are not liable to assign a responsibility to their subordinates. A person becomes responsible to perform the assigned task as soon as authority is delegated to him. ठीक है? ये जो responsibility है आपको दी गई है, that you are now liable to perform these tasks, you are obliged to perform these tasks. ये responsibility तभी तक जल्द से जल्द आपको assign की जा सकती है. ठीक है, आप इस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को तभी तक फॉलो कर सकते हो जब तक जल्दी से जल्दी आपको अथॉरिटी दे दी जाए. बिकॉज विदाउट अथॉरिटी यू आर नॉट हैव एनी राइट्स, एनी पावर टू असाइन सम वर्क, assign some responsibility to their subordinates. Okay, responsibility is absolute and cannot be delegated. You can't delegate your responsibility. You can delegate your authority in some extent, but you can't delegate responsibility, because if this task is given to you, means you are only a person who can oblige to perform this